What is up, you guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to start and open an LLC in the state of Florida. Opening an LLC and getting your whole business started and up and ready is a really easy process. There's a ton of videos on YouTube that make it very complicated. I'm going to get straight to the point with it and make it super transparent. That way you can get your LLC done and be official and start making money right away. So in this video, it's going to be real brief, straight to the point, and everything like that. First, two things I want to mention is that we're going to be creating an LLC, and then you're going to get something that's called an EIN number. The EIN number is like the social security of the LLC. So when you're opening up like a business bank account or a business credit card or things like that, first thing they're going to be asking you is your EIN. So that's very, very important. Anytime you're trying to do anything like related to your LLC, they're always going to be asking you for your EIN. So once you get your LLC, then you're going to get something that's called an EIN number. And with these two things, you're able to open up a business bank account, a business credit card, be official, and that's all you need. And this video is going to be, like I said, fast, transparent, and straight to the point. If you want to follow along with this video and do everything that I'm doing, that way you can just do it and not procrastinate, I'm going to have the link in the description down below. It's going to be in the description as well as in the pinned comments. You can just click that and follow along. You can do it on your phone, even everything like that. It's really fast and easy and straight to the point. So let's get started right away. So we're going to go here. We're going to click Florida, right? And then, wait, let me go here. So yeah, we're going to go on this website and we're going to drop down, click Florida here. And what we're going to do is click Get Started. And you want to have a business name already in mind when it comes to creating your LLC. So for me, I sell full-time on Amazon, and I always use Tailor Brands for all my business needs when it comes to creating LLCs. Highly, highly recommend it. It's really fast and easy. I mean, it's probably the easiest way when it comes to doing different states and stuff like that. So I always recommend you to file your LLC in the state that you live in. It makes it super easy. And so let's put our business name here, Midtown Power Seller. Let's say this is my new business name. Make sure to see if it's available. And it's saying, great, it's available. So after that, we're going to click next. And then what stage is your business currently in? All of these are just, you can't choose the wrong answer. So just click what works for you. Taking the first few steps here. When do you plan on launching? Maybe in a few weeks here. Put your industry here. For me, it's e-commerce. So I'm going to put e-commerce here, but you can see if you type in any letter here, you can see a ton of categories. So mine's, since it's selling on Amazon, it's related to e-commerce. We're going to put physical goods, click next here. And do you plan on hiring employees in the upcoming year? For me, it's a no. If you're not sure, you can click that. Yes, does not really matter. Okay. What is your annual income goal for your business? For me, I honestly don't know yet. I hope it's over 80,000, but I don't know yet. So I'm just going to click that. And then put your zip code here. And is your business online, storefront, brick and mortar, or on the go? For me, it's online. And then what are we doing for our business today? We're going to do the LLC and also the EIN number. So now they're going to be asking, what have you already done for your business? I'm just going to skip this because I've done none of this. Okay, and then how did you discover Tailor Brands? If you're watching this video, just click YouTube, right? And then do you want to join a 12-week coaching program for free? It's a free program. There's nothing needed. If you want to learn more about business, you can always check that out. For me, I just want to get my LLC done today, but this is something really cool that you might want to check out since it's free. For me, I'm just going to say no thanks for now. And then you want to type in your info here. And then we're going to click put our number. Okay, and then password here. Click next. And we're almost done with the LLC. So remember what I mentioned, right? We need to get something that's called the EIN number here. So the EIN number, you can see they can help you get it. It's $99 extra. I personally just get Tailor Brands to do it for me, or you can save money and do it yourself. You can do it on the IRS website as well It all depends on your situation. For me, I'm going to say help me get my EIN number. Okay, and then do you want to keep your LLC in good standing? So what this means is every year you have to renew your LLC. So no matter what, every year you have to renew it. Tailor Brands could renew it for you automatically. You also have a couple of months to renew it. I believe it's like around 4 months that you can renew it yourself. Personally, I always renew it myself to save money. If you think you're going to forget, you can have Tailor Brands do it for you. For me, I'm going to handle it myself just to reduce the costs. But if you think you're going to forget, and you want to make sure your LLC is always compliant, you can always do that. Click next here. Do you want a branding toolkit? It's good for websites, creating logos, domain, things like that. But for me, right now, I just want to get the LLC. But this is cool and something that I definitely recommend to check out. Okay, now we have this, which I really, really recommend: expedited filing. So you can get your LLC done in 2 days, really fast and simple. If you have a lot on your plate, then you can wait 2 weeks and not have to pay anything. I believe they charge $49 to expedite it. And honestly, it all depends on your situation. Let's say you have a lot on your plate, then maybe you don't mind waiting 2 weeks, right? But let's say if you really want to get your business up and running really fast, you're ready to get your business bank account, business credit card, you're ready to start making money, be official, use your credit card for business expenses, things like that. I personally always tend to do the expedited filing time just because I'm ready to get the ball rolling. So we're going to click next here. And do you want an operating agreement? So what an operating agreement is, to give you a brief understanding of it, is let's say you have a LLC and you want to have multiple business partners in it, right? And if you're doing a small business and it's just yourself, you don't need an operating agreement. But operating agreements, like who in the LLC is going to do what? Who's responsible of what in the LLC and in the business? That is what an operating agreement is. You could create it yourself, or Tailor Brands can help you create it. When it comes to that, with AI now, you can probably do it yourself, to be honest. It's pretty simple and kind of straight to the point. Like I said, if you have a big business with multiple business partners, then I would do an operating agreement. If it's just yourself, or it's just a very small business, I'll just say I'll figure it out myself, and I don't do an operating agreement. It's always optional with operating agreement. I've never done one, but I just want to give you an understanding of what it is, because every business that I currently make is just like a small online business that I work for myself, and just like that. So click next here. Do you need a formation kit? No, you don't need this. So we're going to click next here. Okay, and do you want to get notified by Tailor Brands? Yes, I do. Great. So now I want you to click actually here. It says $199, but I want you to actually see this option here. I want you to click see all other options to even save you guys more money. So there's the light, there's the essential, and there's the elite, right? So the light, if you followed along with the whole video, the light, you always have to pay the state filing fee, no matter what. The state filing fee for Florida is $130. That's no matter what. That's it's just mandatory, and every year when you renew your LLC, you have to pay $130. Now if we click here on the light to help you guys save money, you can see the state filing fee. We're also going to be paying $49 for expedited filing to get the LLC done very fast. And you get invoicing and bookkeeping for free. It's 30 days. If you don't want to pay $30 after, you just unclick this here, right? And the EIN number. Remember, the EIN number is something that you need when it comes to an LLC. It's just a one-time payment for the EIN. It's just, you just get it once. You don't have to renew it like the LLC. It's like the social security of the business. If you want to save money, you can always get the LLC and then get the EIN number on the IRS website to save some money. The IRS website only works from Monday through Friday, which is very strange, All you have to do is do a quick Google search of IRS, apply for EIN number. You can get it yourself. Me, honestly, I would pay the $99 extra, just have Tailor Brands do it for me. Really fast and easy, and then that way I can be official. So the total to get your LLC finalized today is just $179. You'll just pay with your credit card here and you're done. After that, then you're gonna have a couple of like information questions of like who's gonna be on the LLC, which is gonna be yourself, the address you're gonna use for it. For me, I always use my home address. I never have an issue with any of that, especially for like an online business. If it's a small business, you can use your home address, online business, stuff like that. If it's a storefront, use that storefront address, of course. And yeah, it's very simple, straight to the point. Sometimes they'll ask who will be the registered agent. Basically, who will be receiving the mail of the business, which will be yourself. So that's about it, guys. It's really fast and simple and straight to the point. If you want to open up your LLC, like I said, just click the link in the description down below. That way you can get started. It'll be there or in the pinned comments. If you want me to make any videos, if you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to help you guys. See you guys. Peace.